In this video, we're going to talk about how to get AliExpress cleaning gadget sales. So let's get straight into the video. So there are multiple different ways you can go ahead and do it, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the best way I get all my discounts. So the first thing you want to do is open your AliExpress application. And inside of your AliExpress application, what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on the profile icon or account tab on the bottom right. Now, this is where you want to click on coins and collect more. Make sure that you collect coins every single day, and you can also play some games to go ahead and earn some coins. Now, all you need to do after you've earned some coins is click on the top right search icon. Now, here is exactly where you want to simply go ahead and search for the product that you are looking for. So, for example, cleaning. Gadget for the sake of this video right over here. And now, as you can see, it will show you all the discounted cleaning gadgets with coins as well as without coins. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.